Good afternoon, everyone. I'm making this video just because I am very, very upset and very pissed off with our system right now. Today will mark 7 days. 7 days without my medication. And that's not due to the lack of my efforts. I have been on the phone since last week trying to get a hold of my caseworker and the Orange County Health Department. There are several things that happened this week that could have been avoided. One being if people would listen to their voicemails and actually answer their phones, then things would get done. The Orange County Health Department, Mr. Evans, who I have been assigned to, not by choice, but by default, I guess, never answers his phone, except if you call twice in a row. Or the other fact is, when you do get a hold of him and you ask him if he received his messages, he'll say, "No, I haven't listened to them yet." Well, what good are you, Mr. Evans? That's what I would like to know. The Orange County Health Department is the biggest joke in the world. They say they help people, they're false. They don't help anyone. Friday afternoon, 5 o'clock, they're out that door, smack, they're just like crickets on a honey wagon going south, because that's the way they act. They're out the door. They don't give a crap about you or about your case or about anything else that goes on with your life, because they're on weekend. Same with the holiday. And then you have the Hope and Help Center of Central Florida, who, it's not their fault that their funding is cut by our government and they have to shift people around, and you get assigned to caseworkers that, again, don't work, that don't do nothing when you ask them to do it, and they still refuse to do something. It's a pretty poor system. The system needs to be changed, and our government is the worst in the nation when it comes to healthcare. I mean, granted, Obama was trying his hardest to get things resolved, and all the fucking GOP wanted to do was, "Oh, we're going to defund it. Oh, it's against the law. Well, guess what, GOP? Now you have someone that is 7 days without his medicine because your actions refuse to do anything other than nothing. Thanks a lot. Tallahassee's the same way. Governor Scott is a useless piece of crap that needs to go away, and take Bundy with him." Anyways, I'm off my soapbox. But I'm just tired of the system. I'm tired of the way people treat people, and it needs to be fixed. Something needs to be done, and something needs to be looked over. And obviously, our government can't take care of that because our government is too damn lazy to do shit. Have a great night.